The word I find quite funny is doodlezack, which is bagpipes.
Okay, I have.
But it does exactly what it says on the tin, doesn't it? Like doodlezack. I want to play. I want to doodle on my sack. Well, that came out wrong.
I like veelzijdig.
Yeah?
Veelzijdig means that you have several sides. It means you're versatile. But if you have several sides as a personality trait, that's not a good thing.
Yeah, it's maybe you time to see a doctor.
Or you have many faces, you're not to trust.
All right.
I find it really interesting that Dutch brain will find, or grammar, that having several sides is being versatile.
I like the word betutelen. I think it's very cute. It means patronize.
Okay. There's actually another word which is not funny at all, but I mean, it can create a lot of confusion, which is oplossen, because you use oplossen to solve, to resolve, and to dissolve. And it's a separable verb, so you can imagine.
Yeah, so there is always op somewhere.
Lossen, op.
I have a favorite Dutch word. It's driftkikker.
Driftkikker.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Kikker is frog, yeah?
Yes.
So what is drift?
It's my boyfriend says I'm a drift kicker all the time. So it's somebody who is short-tempered, who flares up really easily. And something like a temper frog or temper toad.
I know one more word, which actually means meerkat. So stokstartje. But I know another meaning for that. So these dunes next to the sea, right? And there are many people who really like nude sunbathing. So what you call a man who's there, in the, not bushes, but in the grass, standing there and just looking around, you call him a stokstartje, a meerkat. He looks like a meerkat.
Yes, yeah.
Flessen liquor? And I'm like, okay, what does this do? Do you lick this and then the bottle, or what is it? And then I realized it's something to scrape out something from the bottle.
Ah, right, okay.
2 days ago at work, there was one machine that was not working, and we didn't know why. And then my colleague said, "Het is rotzooi," and I was like, "What? Rotzooi?" And apparently it's it's a mess. It's something like that. I don't know the
Rotzooi.
Rotzooi.
Goedkoop is like cheap, right? For me, it's like goedkoop. I mean, good buy, something like that. But yeah, it really means like cheap buy. So yeah, I found it a little bit funny.
Verrekijker. Verrekijker is, ver is, I think, far, and kijker is to look. So to look far, binoculars.
Oh, okay.
I think these should replace the English words, shouldn't they? 'Cause
Yes,
they're
they should.
far more-